I'm a researcher, currently based in Lisbon, and also I often say when I introduce myself, a recovering academic, because I guess I've been investigating um, questions at the intersection of technology, particularly economy and culture, for like almost 10 years, and I started in my previous academic life. And for the last 6 years, I guess, I've been furthering and advancing my interest with by working with Other Internet, and so working a lot around the novel dynamics that we've seen emerging around Web3. We've done a lot of work on governance, on how these new organizations might somehow improve or create different organizational structures. We've been very focused on the question of new institutions, as well as perhaps another topic that can somehow relate with a lot of broader concerns. And I guess with Toby and Sam and the extended squad at Our Internet, we've also recently published our anthology, Other Internet 2018-2024. And that's also how we met in Lisbon doing a book launch a few weeks ago.
So you, then you've met with Toby and Sam via your work, or have you met them before? What was the context?
Oh, good. But we all met in Berlin about, in 2018, I think. 19, exactly, yes. We were all working kind of in and around blockchain related things in our individual works and trajectories, and we all met at Trust, which is this co-working and community space in Berlin, and that's how we kind of started to brainstorm, or through discussions we kind of came to crystallize maybe the first idea that we developed together, which was the idea of headless brands.
Right. Okay, hold on to that thought. I'll also come back to that. Toby, your introduction. Who are you at this point in time?
At this point in time, I also am a researcher, not a recovering academic. These days, I've been enjoying telling people I'm just a blogger. But I've been writing on the internet around themes of different sorts of communities, the spectrum of community formation, from cults and religions using the tools of branding to brands and lifestyles, to the sorts of token-based communities that we studied at Other Internet, and more recently, communities that form around health practices, wellness ideas, and nascent spiritual communities. I've been doing that for the better part of a decade, and a big chunk of that was spent with Sam and Laura on this project, Other Internet, where we, as Laura said, went really deep into open source communities, managing decentralized protocols, participatory governance, I think the last thing to say is we've each, Sam and Laura and I are kind of the heartbeat of Other Internet, and each of us have our own specialized interests. Laura didn't mention about what she's up to now, but that also might be interesting to hear.
Yeah.
These days, I moved to San Francisco from New York, and I am involving myself in a lot of different kinds of projects at the intersection of culture and technology here.
Yeah, you chose the San Francisco over New York at this point. So that told me something about.
I was in New York for 10 years before, so it's I had to
understand.
I got my visa stamped. I can always go back.
Okay. Good times. I understand you. I've been also. I knew when I've had enough of New York, and New York had enough of me. I know that moment. It's kind of heartbreaking, and at the same time, it's so liberating. So congrats on that.
It did feel like that, yeah.
Okay, let me see